大家好，我係潘 Sir 啊。咁咧就我教 Module 14啦，同埋 Capstone M14嗰段時間咧，發覺有啲考生咧對有啲難嘅 topic 可能掌握得麻麻地。其中一個咧就係 aircraft leasing 啊。咁所以咧我都想俾少少 input 大家啦。嗱，aircraft leasing 咧都幾多 updates 嘅。咁首先喺我哋2017年，大家見到熒光幕啦，就有一個咧 Inland Revenue Amendment No. 3㗎。佢係俾咗一個咧所謂嘅 Profits Tax Concession 稅務優惠啦。咁陣間你會見到咧個稅務優惠咧就係8.25%。咁有兩種嘅 taxpayers，一種咧就叫做 Qualifying Aircraft Lessor。咁其實呢啲咧就係 own 住個飛機啦 ，owners。第二種咧就係叫做 Qualifying Aircraft Leasing Managers。咁呢啲咧就唔係個 owners 㗎，佢係點樣咧？佢精於咧就係幫嗰啲 owners，即係有錢嗰啲咧，就係點樣去揾 identify 買邊一類型嘅飛機啦，去傾嗰個 lease 咁樣。好啦，咁到底我哋呢個2017年一開始係點樣嘅咧？首先我哋要知道咧，如果你係一個 qualifying aircraft lessor，咁如果你 own 住個飛機，你將個飛機會出租啦。咁咧，如果你係做到一啲叫做 qualifying aircraft leasing activities，咁你可以咧就攞到稅務優惠。咁啊，陣間下邊會講到㗎。咁啊，再褪高少少。咁如果你係一個咧唔係 owners，嗱呢個記住啦，唔係 owners 嚟㗎 ，not the owners of 個 aircraft。咁不過咧，你精於幫人哋咧去揾飛機啦，去傾嗰啲 list 啦。咁呢啲咧就叫做 aircraft leasing managers。嗱，我哋有個 DIPN 54啊，不過咧我都話好多 update 㗎。首先咧喺我哋2017年就有第一個 version DIPN 54。不過大家知唔知啊？我哋 revise 咗㗎，喺2023年嘅6月就 revise 咗。我哋不如睇下咧，到底譬如你哋要掌握個 exam tech list。好多時我哋咧嗰啲 M14啲 course 啦，Capstone 關於稅嗰啲咧，我哋都會俾好多 exam tech list 大家嚇，盡量幫到大家。咁你見到咧就係咁噶，無論你係一個 qualifying aircraft lessor 啦，或者你係 qualifying aircraft leasing managers，咁你要滿足我哋下邊條件嘅。咁你個 tax rate 咧就係我哋現行嘅16.5% 減一半。咁即係換句説話講咧，16.5% 嘅一半就係8.25% 啦。但係最緊要喎，你考試裏邊咧識得 define 咩叫做 qualifying profit， 呢個好重要噶。咁當然就即刻寫落嚟啦。qualifying profit 咧就係包括最主要啦，就係你而家 own 住架飛機，你個 qualifying aircraft lessor，咁你收到咧就係個租金啦。咁你記緊咧就要租俾個用家，即係個 lessee 啊嘛。個 lessee 咧就一定要係 aircraft operator。嗱，aircraft operator 係 common sense 嚟嘅啫，即係你可以咧就攞個飛機愛嚟咧就 carriage 啲人啦，好似航空公司嗰啲啦，係嘛？你哋去旅行搭飛機嗰啲啦，或者你個飛機愛嚟咧就係愛嚟送 cargos 啦，送郵件嗰啲都係 aircraft operator。嗱，記住喎，而家我哋最緊要係關於咧第一點就係個租金。你係 owner 啫嘛，出租個飛機，咁你收到租金。咁你跟住咧，仲有一啲叫做 incidental income 㗎，嗰啲咧佢都係俾你作為 qualifying profit，咁你都可以 enjoy 8.25% 啦。咁呢啲包括咧，例如有 interest income 啦、exchange gains 啦同 hedging gains。